Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a perm rod set. Keep watching to see how I got these results. So I'm going to be using the Mielle Organics Mongongo oil style setting spray. I put it in an empty foam bottle. I thought I could get better coverage using it this way. I'm going to be using 2 medium perm rods. They're similar in size. I'll try to link their sizes in the description box. For this perm rod set, I section my hair into 4 parts, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. I use the Mielle Organics Pomegranate and Honey Leave-In Conditioner. I apply a dime size amount to this whole section, and I make sure I get it on the ends. And then I'm just going to start from the back. So I'm clipping a little bit out of the way, taking a little bit of that foam, and I'm saturating that whole section. I like to apply my foam directly to my hair. I'm using a rat tail comb to work in that product. I usually like to use a diamond brush. Today I just wanted to see how my hair would turn out using a rat tail comb. So there are 2 ways to wrap your hair around the perm rod. You can either spiral it up or you can do a corkscrew method. Today I'm just spiraling it up so that I can get spiral looking curls. One thing to keep in mind when you're rolling your hair, you want to make sure that you get the roller to the end, but you want to smooth the ends. And as you're rolling your hair up, you want to roll it almost in a spiral fashion. You don't want to just roll it up like in a straight way. You want to try to take up as much space on that roller as possible. To me, this helps my hair dry faster, and it also produces a prettier curl. And on some of the sections, I did kind of corkscrew it towards the root because I thought I could get the roller closer to my roots and that would give me straighter roots. So I did use a rat tail comb like I mentioned earlier, but I'm thinking it's better to use something that has a bit more teeth in it that can get your hair just a bit straighter. My hair is smooth in the results. I can tell that they're good, but I think if you use like a tangle teaser or even like a diamond brush, you can get like better results. So I'm just gonna do this all over my head. Just getting that roller to the end, making sure that my ends are smooth, and I'm just trying to roll it up in a spiral fashion. And I just secure it. I like to secure that. So you have a rope here, so I like to make sure that it's on the scalp side, or on the scalp side. You see, you don't want that roller to be flipping around, so you want to get it on the root side. So this is what it looks like after I finish rolling it. I sat under the hair dryer probably for about an hour and a half. So when I take down the rollers, I also like to unravel it in a spiral way. Yeah, so like if you just like take it out, like if you just unroll it straight without doing a little spiral method, to me it'll mess up the curl. For me, I want my curls to look spirally and fluffy. I did like this style setting spray a lot. It gave me a lot of shine and a lot of hold, and when I went back in to separate my curls, it got softer. So I really didn't like it. When I went to wash my hair the next time, my hair still felt soft. So I really like that. So I've got all of the rollers out, my hair is dry, and so I'm just going to take a few minutes to separate my hair. What I like to do is I like to pull my curl pretty straight, and I like to see where it's naturally separating. So you can just take each curl and just kind of spiral it, kind of like I'm doing here. Just, you see, it falls apart naturally. And so you just take it and spiral it around your finger. And you can just do this to give your hair a little bit of volume. So you see here, I got my hair, I pulled that curl straight, and you can see how it separates into about 4 smaller subsections. Well, these are my finished results. I'm gonna take a spin to let you see the back. I didn't separate all the way in the back, but that's okay. I like the results. I hope you will give this a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.